As Gujarat Giants take on UP Warriors in the third clash of WPL 2025, the battle between the top batters and world-class bowlers will definitely decide the game today. Hi, this is Shailaja Sundar and I welcome you to Bold and Beautiful. Here we discuss about the key matchups of the batters and bowlers who take on each other in today's game. The first key matchup for today is Beth Mooney versus Deepti Sharma. When you look at their last battle, Beth Mooney has been able to counter spin effectively, but Deepti Sharma's accuracy and variation can really challenge her. When you look at the head-to-head, Deepti has been comfortable in keeping the left-handers quiet with her stump-to-stump line, but Beth Mooney's ability to rotate the strike has helped her effectively to counter spin. Now, how can Deepti dismiss Beth Mooney? She can keep a tight line and length. She can bowl on the middle and off and not give Beth Mooney the room to free her hands. She can also bowl quicker arm balls and target her pads. And because Beth Mooney is easily rotating the strike against spinners, she can create a dot ball pressure and force Beth Mooney to play a false shot. Now, Beth Mooney can counterattack this by playing sweep and reverse sweeps. That way, she can disturb Deepti's line and accuracy. She can also use the crease, step forward or backward to adjust to the spin variations. And she can look for the gaps and start rotating strike early in the face-off. Beth Mooney is a class batter, whereas Deepti is a fantastic, accurate bowler. Now, who can win the battle? This is going to be an interesting one. We'll have to wait and watch. Let's move on to the next one. The next key matchup is Sophie Ecclestone versus Ashley Gardner. Now, Sophie Ecclestone's left-arm spin has troubled aggressive right-handers like Ash Gardner who prefer pace on the ball. Sophie Ecclestone has been really dominant against right-handers and having her height to her advantage, the high release point has made it difficult for the batters to attack her. Now, how can Ecclestone dismiss Ash Gardner? She can bowl deliveries that angle in before spinning away that can create an edge out of Gardner's bat. She can also vary her flight and pace, change her trajectory and force her into playing some mistimed shots. And she can also create dot ball pressure by bowling outside the off, sticking onto that line and forcing her to make mistakes. So now how can Ash Gardner counter this? If Ecclestone bowls shorter delivery, she can counter that with cuts and pulls. If flighted a bit high, she can step out and play over the covers. Also, to counter the dot ball pressure, she can start rotating the strike early in the face-off. In last season's first encounter, Sophie Ecclestone was successful amongst the two. Well, can Ash Gardner be successful with her power hitting skills this time? Or will the world's #1 spinner continue to dominate? Let's wait and watch. So far, we had a look at a couple of key matchups from UP Warriors bowling and GG's batting. Now, let's have a look at a couple more key matchups of the other way around, UP batters versus GG bowlers. The next key matchup is Grace Harris versus Saili Sadgari. Grace Harris is a destructive batter who thrives on pace, but Saili is a young pacer who has the ability to swing and also bowl some well-directed bounces. Grace Harris has been dominant against medium paces, but Saili's ability to swing the ball early in the innings can really trouble Grace Harris. Now, Saili's plan to dismiss Grace Harris would be to bowl fuller deliveries outside the off and force her to play some big shots early. She can also vary pace and bowl some slower deliveries and break her rhythm. And Saili would look to bowl some solid bounces and push her back. Now, how can Grace Harris counter this? She will straight away look to dominate in the power plays. She will step out and attack to counter swing. Also, she can use her power hitting to look for boundaries. Who will win this battle? Will Grace Harris, with her experience, dominate Saili, or will young Saili have the last laugh? Let's wait and watch. The next key matchup is Deepti Sharma, the batter, versus Ashley Gardner, the bowler. Well, Deepti Sharma is a solid middle order batter and Ash Gardner's spin has been a wicket-taking weapon. Now, while Ash Gardner's bowling has troubled left-handers with her drift and bounce, Deepti's ability to play spin can make this an even contest. Now, how can Gardner dismiss Deepti? She can bowl well outside the off and force her to reach to the ball. She can also vary her flight and pace and deceive her into playing mistimed shots. She can also have close and catching, say a slip and a short mid wicket to create a chance early. Now, Deepti's counter attack would be to allow the ball and play late cuts and sweep shots to counter the spin. She can also rotate the strikes so that she doesn't get stuck with Gardner's variations, and she can take advantage of the overpitch deliveries and attack the loose balls. With two senior pros in the game competing against each other, this is going to be a very interesting contest. Can Gardner break Deepti's resistance, or can Deepti find a way to dominate? We'll have to wait and watch. So guys, today we discussed about four key matchups of UP Warriors and Gujarat Giants who will take on each other tonight in WPL 2025. We discussed, analyzed about the strategies of bowlers and the counterattacks of batters. I hope you liked it and I hope this was informative. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you.